So it's
Okay.
honey and cinnamon face pack. Cinnamon is commonly known as dalchini. So I'm sure
Mm-hmm.
everyone will have it in its kitchen, and it's a very easily
Yes, that's a
available
common.
ingredient.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'll tell you the benefit of the ingredient. Honey acts
Uh-huh.
as a natural moisturizer to the skin. So it makes
Mm-hmm.
your skin look more shiny and glowing. And honey has a lot of benefits to the skin. Even if we intake it or even if we apply it, honey has a lot of benefits. And cinnamon has antibacterial properties. So what
Mm-hmm.
does it do? It helps in treating any kind of scars, any kind of pimples, acne, anything. It has high antibacterial properties in it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
I'll also show you how to apply this, the application of the pack, which I'm talking about. And as I already mentioned, this pack can be used by any skin type, like any skin type, people can use this, only except people with extremely dry skin.
Okay.
This face pack can be used 3 to 4 times a week.
Okay.
If a person has a acne prone skin, and if a person has a clear skin, comparatively clearer skin, then can be used only once a week. That is going to benefit. It's very necessary to sanitize our hand every time we use the
Yes.
product. Yes. So the alchemy looks something like this, the cinnamon,
Mm-hmm.
and you can get it in powdered form. It is easily available in the market. I have it in powdered form. If you do not, if
Okay.
any one of us have, then you can always grind it in the grinder and make it into a powder form.
Yes.
So yeah, the proportion will be 1:1. So if I take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, then the honey has to be 1 tablespoon. If I take 2 tablespoon of cinnamon, then 2 tablespoon of honey, and likewise. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So we have to mix it properly until it turns into a thick paste.
Okay. Can you keep your hands a little up because
Yes,
I'm not
yes.
able to see it the best. Okay. Okay.
Is it
Okay. Got
visible?
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Pretty
just
much.
mixing it. Yeah. So the consistency will be something like this. I'm doing it since last 3 weeks, and
Okay.
yes, it is giving me a very good result. You can see I had few scars of acne, but I cannot see those now. I have a little one here, but other
Mm-hmm.
than that, my skin is now much more clearer
Okay.
and
It's good.
yes. Yes, it is a 1:1 proportion. So if I'm taking 1 tablespoon of honey, then I'll take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So if the quantity may differ. If I require 2 tablespoon of cinnamon, then I'll take 2 tablespoon of honey, and likewise. Yes, it will. It will fill up full towards inside, and see the result only after 2-3 use of this pack, 2-3 application.
So, friends who have joined just now, for them, I'd like to say that Debarati is applying her own homemade face pack, um, kind of face pack. What
Yes.
would I call it? What should I call it? Like face pack, right?
Uh yes, yes. I call it as a
Face
honey and cinnamon face pack.
Okay, so it's honey and cinnamon face pack, and she's applying since quite few weeks, and she has got excellent result because she had some kind of black spots on her face, and that has been faded away, and that has gone away, and she's very
Yes.
happy with the therapy, and she's just sharing with you. So it's cinnamon and honey face pack, which you can apply at your home, and it will take 30 minutes time, and you have to take it in equal proportion, like 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of cinnamon powder, and you can see her face now. It's so refreshing. Yeah, it's very refreshing, and we can see her
The
face as well.
ingredients
She
are
has
also with, yes.
beautiful skin, and it's very soft. And as she said that her spots has gone away. Very good. I hope that our friends will try this, especially during